Alright guys, so we are leaving from Lions Point, Tigers Point, whatever it is. It's quite a good place actually. And heading towards Amber Valley. And I'm riding my own bike and Chris is riding his own bike. So I'll see you guys when I hit the road. I have changed my gloves again because I burned my finger accidentally, don't ask how, but I just did. It was quite silly. We are around 12 kilometers away from Amber Valley. Amber Valley city I'd say. My friend Chris has already visited that place in rainy season and he says that this is nothing in front of rainy season, like everything is green and but that rainy season is quite risky to ride bike, you know. I'm happy with that view actually. And so guys, we have finally entered Amber Valley city, as you guys can see on my left hand side. And this place is quite neat actually. I mean, look at this place, man. Okay, I don't think so that we can go in. Bike or any vehicle outside that gate or whatever it is, and we are not going to do that. So we are heading back to home now. I know I have said a lot of things that I'll cover this or that and blah blah blah, but see the time now. We started riding at 8 AM in the morning and we reached here by 12, and which is 4 hours, and it's 3 in the afternoon right now. So if we leave home right now, then we might enter Mumbai before sunset. Alright guys, the reason why I was not able to cover all the points, well, because I thought first of all that I might reach Lonavala in 2 hours, at 10 AM or maybe 10:30, but I reached here at 12 AM because of the traffic of the city and of course that policeman catching us and all that kind of stuff, and we lost our way. The biggest thing which wasted our time was that Rajmohansi or fort, something like that, wasn't even able to find that place. Like literally it wasted our 1 hour. We were just roaming and roaming. The second reason why we were late because of the traffic in Bodbandar road, I guess. It was like a lot of traffic there, and it was not like that we were riding slow. We are riding slow right now in Lonavala. We are cruising at 50 to 60 or maybe 70, but when we were on highway, national highway, express highway, so we were not allowed to go there. We were not going below 80, I guess. And right now there is no network right here in this forest. Right now what we were thinking is that we will head back to Lonavala and we'll just hang out for a bit in Times Square Mall, McDonald's, and after that we'll head home. लोनावाला स्क्वायर मॉल है ना, वहाँ जा रहा हूँ. हाँ ठीक है. बोलेगा वो? क्रिश Here it is, Square Mall of Lonavala. Is there parking here? Parking? Parking? Okay, so everyone was parking here. Eventually there is no parking space in this mall. Quite strange. Look, even that guy parked right there. So even we are gonna park here and have something to eat. So I'll guys see you. Alright guys, so we are leaving from McDonald's or Square Mall Lonavala and heading back to home. Okay guys, so we are almost out of the, or I think we are out of the Lonavala. And 107 more kilometers to go to reach home. Currently it's 4:42 PM. So let's see how much time does it take. I hope it doesn't take as long as it took for us to come here. I'll be happy if we reach home before 7 PM. Hey doggy. I'll just cover this valley. Guys, check out my Instagram. This is the place where I took my doggy's photo. His name is Edgar the dog, whom I was petting at the start of the video. So the climate is not as hot as it was before. I'm quite happy this, like, the climate is mildly cold in summer. I have to do this. यहीं से लॉन्ग कट लेके जाते हैं रीच सेंटर. ओके, आई एम नॉट सरप्राइज. दिस रूट इज क्वाइट डेंजरस एक्चुअली. Accidents might be a common thing here. 100 more kilometers to go and it's 4:54 p.m. Update guys, we just entered Panvel. Right now we are at Panvel bypass road and 75 more kilometers to go. Okay, so riding back home is taking way less time than it took for arriving here. Because of our speed, we are constantly maintaining 80 to 90, sometimes 100. So I am pretty sure we'll reach home by 7:30 I guess. So as you guys can see, the sun is setting and 35 kilometers more to go and it's currently 7 p.m. If the sun fully sets, then I'll reduce my speed to around 50 to 60 cruising speed max. I won't go beyond that. Hey yo guys, it's 7:42 p.m. The sun is set and 20 more kilometers to go. So badly wanna go home and lie down, man. Because while coming from Lonavala to here, we haven't took a single halt. Like we have took a single halt, like 2-3, but not more than 5 minutes. So this 100 kilometers was a straight up ride, and still we weren't able to make it on time. Yeah. Okay guys, so right now we are at Krish place and कैम का बैटरी बहुत कम है. क्रिश कितना किलोमीटर हुआ? 29 मतलब 304 kilometers. Yeah. So right now I'll head back home and उसके बाद we'll talk. चल क्रिश बाय, मिलते हैं. एक मिनट. Okay guys, so I am back at my home right now and as you guys can see, Edgar is excited. And by the way, I forgot to mention that when I arrived at Krish place, it was 8:40 p.m. and right now it is 9:08 p.m. It was a hell of a ride. I enjoyed it, and I know I look like crap, but you know, you guys can see I'm all tired and all. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, then hit that subscribe button. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.